Hi everyone, my name is Rahim Asum Raja. Welcome to Market Updates and MarketSmith Portfolio Update as well. So in this video, I will be sharing insight on how the market performed last week and also how the last two trading sessions have been, the action that we have taken in our portfolio and what we are watching out closely in the upcoming days. Our goal is to keep things simple and easy to understand, ensuring that both experienced traders and beginners can easily grasp and know exactly what to focus on this week. So we'll start with Nifty 50 and we'll see how the index has behaved in the last week and also in this week from what has happened in the last in the last two trading session. So as we can see on the chart that after 4th of March we have seen that we can say that market has bottom out and it has shown resilience and witnessed buying interest from this lower level, and and also in this process the index has reclaimed its all key moving averages, and we have also shifted the market status to confirm uptrend from the rally attempt on 18th of March. And then since then the still overall trend has become bullish only. So if you look at the chart, then as of now we can see that currently immediate resistance lies near 23,800 level, when breakout could propel in the index towards 24,000 mark. So if breakout happens from this level, because if you look at the high the of yesterday, like 25th of March, then we can see like 23,864. So 23,800 is acting as a resistance as of now, and if that resistance is surpassed, then obviously we can expect that index might move towards 200 DM, which is just 2% away from the current level. And also if it is reclaiming and holding above that, then we can expect next leg of rally. So overall, we can see that the market participant are actively entering in the market, which is also coming in terms of price action, and overall price improvement has taken place. So it was about Nifty 50. So I would like to talk about Market Smith update. So last week we have added couple of stocks like ICICI Bank, ITC Hotels, and Masdog. So this is the daily chart. I will just show one stock like ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank has given the breakout on flat base on Monday, and we have added this stock. If you look at the volume spike here, it is great. Volume profile is great, and after that the stock has also showing buying interest from the lower level. It is trading comfortably above its all key moving averages. RS line also rising towards upside, indicating that it is outperforming the market. If you look at the APS strength, it is 89, which shows a strong fundamentals of the stocks. Buyer demand is A minus, which shows that buying interest and accumulation in this particular stock. So overall setup and looking at the breakout, we can expect that the stock is looking bullish, and we have actually kept this stock for our long term view. So this was about ICICI Banks, and also we are watching very closely to Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Holding. So let's see to these two stocks as well. So Bajaj Finserv is actually on the has already given the breakout, but we are actually waiting for some more confirmation and some parameters that actually fits into the criteria. And if we look at the price action and if everything goes well, then we can add in our portfolio. Like if you look at the volume spike and EPS is 1075, even the price is 1083, and RS line is rising also. So overall sentiment and structure is bullish in Bajaj Finserv, which we have kept in our watch list. Even the Bajaj Holding, same story. It has also given the cup with the handle breakout, and it is trading near its pivot level. Actually, both two stocks, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Holdings, both are trading near its pivot level only. It is not so extended. So let's see what action we are taking, and obviously we will be updating you soon. And if you look at this, this is the only market overview that we use to send it every day to our readers. So from here, you can just check that overall market sentiment, and also like what is the market global market views. And if you look at the heading of this particular article, then you can also see that major market index and the sectoral directions. After scrolling it down, you can see that which sector plays in which market status. If you look at the IT, it is in the rally attempt, Nifty Bank confirm uptrend, so and so on. And if we'll scroll it down, then you can see like O'Neill sectors and industry group analysis. So sector wise also we can see that there is improvement in transportation, capital equipment. So looking at the improvement in the sectors overall, motto of this sending this update is like so that we can keep eye on the particular stocks from those particular sectors which are doing well and which is actually trying to fit in our criteria. So this is industry group analysis. In this section, we can see like which industry is doing good, and from that industry, which stock is doing good, and we can keep eye on it. We can keep it in our watch list. As we can see it, like ICC Bank, we have seen it from here, and we have added even Indian Bank. If you look at SBI Bank, just I'm taking a couple of stocks randomly. So Indian Bank, if you look at it, so obviously the stock is showing resilience, and it has actually bottomed out after hitting its low, the recent low at 473 or 474, and then the stock is trying to move upside gradually. It has reclaimed its all key moving averages, comfortably trading up its all key moving averages. It has also reclaimed its 200 DMA, that is long term DMA. If you look at APS strength 91, which is good, which indicates a strong fundamental profile of this particular stock's buyer demand of B, also suggests that accumulation is taking place in this. State Bank of India also, it has the, if you look at it, it is actually trending with very long consolidation, stage one, and stock has bottomed out at 680, and after that it is showing gradually improvement, and then the stock is actually trying to move upside, and currently it has reclaimed its 21 DMA, then followed by its 50 DMA. Now it has also retested 100 DMA from where it got resistance, and then it is still hovering at that range. So once that resistance is surpassed, like 100 DMA, then obviously next will be the 200 DMA, which is just 1.5% or 1.2%, sorry, it is just 3.5% from the current level. So once this 200 DMA is reclaimed, then obviously we can expect next leg of rally and some more upside, and slowly and gradually, if this buying momentum continues, it can give breakout as well, which is 15%, which is 15% from the current level. So the same as like Hindalco as well. So Hindalco is also trading near its breakout range. So it is forming cup with handle pattern. And once this breakout confirms and breakout happens with above average volume, and if it is matching with our criteria and if it is fulfilling our own strategy, then obviously we can think of it. So we are keeping some of the stocks from those place in our watch list. So the main thing is like in this market, when the market is in the uptrend, so what are the things that investors should do? So stay disciplined and stick to your investing plan. That is one. The second is the focus on the stocks that are outperforming the market, especially from strong sectors. And very importantly, importantly, like avoid chasing the extended stocks, the stock which is already extended and just 10 to 15% from the pivot level. Try to avoid those stocks. Instead, wait for proper setup, because patience is the key in this environment. So these are the things that I thought that it will be helpful, so I just share it with you all. So that is the wrap for the markets update. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more market insight. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and trade wisely. See you next time. Thank you so much.